Hello guys, Rahul here, and today I'm gonna tell you is I've got some braking problem in it. Actually, braking is fine. I'm getting some noise from the braking thing, so I guess some might be some dust in it or something. I don't know. I have gave it a wash also. Still, I'm getting that kind of sound. I don't know what's the issue in it. So right now I'll be going to Suzuki showroom to check out what's the issue in my bike, and yeah, I'll show you the video what's wrong with it. So guys, today I'm here at showroom. I got some problem in my brakes, so I have come to fix here. He is Hafiz Bhai, who does all the things of Hayabusa. He's actually doctor of Hayabusa. So he's gonna check my brakes, what's wrong with it, because I'm getting a lot of sound. This is a Suzuki showroom. It's in Double Road, Bangalore. Here are so many super bikes. Hayabusa, Intruder, and this bike belongs to him.
बस इस्लाम यार भाई यार अवलो टाइट आते कंपनी से लाखों के ना रावली है अभी तक अभी खुल रहा है ये थ्रेड लॉक आता है इसमें हाँ ये थ्रेड लॉक डाल के टाइट करके रहता है कम में देखो जो है एक पानी हो रहा है
Finally, the bike is ready right now. It's set. Now bike is ready. Yeah. Time to rave. Please subscribe, guys. Please keep subscribing. RB Toys. I really got very less subscriber. Please guys, keep subscribing it, keep liking my videos. Alright guys, thank you भैया. भाई gloves है ना? Everything's done. Time to move home. See ya guys. Yeah.